Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator on Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your profile settings. From there, find the security section. You will see an option to enable two-factor authentication, which is crucial for protecting your assets. Click on this option to begin the setup process. This initial step ensures you are on the right path to enhanced security. Next, Coinbase will present you with options for two-factor authentication. Select Authenticator app as your preferred method. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open your Google Authenticator app and tap the plus sign to add a new account, then choose Scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the code. If scanning isn't possible, you can manually enter the provided setup key. Once you've scanned the QR code or entered the key, your Google Authenticator app will immediately start generating 6-digit codes. Go back to the Coinbase setup page and enter the current code displayed in your Authenticator app. This verifies the connection. After entering the code, confirm the setup. Coinbase will then provide recovery codes. Make sure to save these in a very secure, offline location. Setting up Google Authenticator adds a vital layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your Coinbase account, even if they have your password. Always remember to keep your recovery codes extremely safe and private, as they are essential if you ever lose access to your Authenticator device. For more great tips and deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.